XRP is a cryptocurrency that is rapidly gaining traction. This innovative cryptocurrency has attracted not only investors, but also banks and other financial institutions. It does so because of the services it offers. Ripple is being used by tiny enterprises right now, but it will eventually be used on a global basis. Since its inception, there has been indications that the U.S. Federal Reserve has been interested in Ripple and XRP for a long time. Experts have known that a stronger financial system is required, and, with XRP on the horizon, no other currency or payment system can match what the San Francisco-based company can offer. In today's video, you'll be aware of all the facts pointing to widespread XRP acceptance on a worldwide scale. But first, let me welcome everyone back to XRP Hut, the channel where you can get your daily dosage of XRP. Give it some thinking if you appreciate the content. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell button to receive notifications, so you'll be the first to know when we post a new video. Let's get to the video without further ado. By utilizing blockchain technology, Ripple hopes to aid with the quickening and smoothing of money training. People should be able to send money and information at the same time. According to Ripple, consider being able to send money quickly. It's comparable to sending a text message. For example, the Federal Reserve published the U.S. Path to Faster Payments Final Report Part 1, the Faster Payments Task Force in January 2017. The document indicates that the task force's objective is to identify and evaluate different options for providing safe, ambiguous, and quicker payments capabilities in the United States, as indicated in the task force's charter. Why now? The Fed states the difficulty of issuing a new, faster payment system under the section Why Faster Payments. It claims that the United States payment system is at a critical juncture, with advances in computing speed and data processing allowing payments to be made faster than ever before. Non-bank suppliers, such as technology firms, have begun to enter the market and develop innovative new solutions to fulfill customers' and businesses' growing need for speedier payment ways. Despite the fact that innovation is speeding up, payment solutions are still being developed in a fragmented manner, with little collaboration or market uptake. In addition, we can find Ryan Zagan as a quicker payment task force participant from Ripple in 2015 if we search for Ripple. Just 2 years after its launch, Ripple Laboratories announced the election of 2 Fed steering committee members for speedier payments in a blog post. Ryan, the chief of research at Ripple Labs, has been elected to the Federal Reserve Board of Governors, which means speedier payments and task force direction. Earlier this year, the Federal Reserve created a task force on speedier payments to engage payment stakeholders and achieve the goal articulated in its January report, Ideas for Enhancing the U.S. Payment System. According to the document, the task force included over 300 participants from a wide range of sectors, including financial institutions, technology suppliers, trade groups, and users, as well as corporations, payment networks, governments, and others. The speedier payment capabilities showcase is detailed in a table. There's a Ripple here as well. Ripple is a platform that enables providers to send and receive cross-border payments in real time. Currently, settlement takes 2 to 4 days, with little visibility into status and fees. Ripple provides real-time visibility into payment status, fee certainty, and settlement. Ripple Labs is thrilled to have been elected as a voice of technology and non-bank service providers by our peers as a member of the Task Force Steering Committee. As a result, the Federal Reserve has a Ripple representative on its staff, and Ripple has been promoted as a provider of speedier payments. The financial institutions anticipated a financial crisis, and were planning to deal with it and manage the problems. After the advent of Ripple, we required a speedier payment system. And, given what Ripple has to provide, businesses have no doubt chosen Ripple and XRP since. In the end, no other system can match what Ripple has to offer. There's also another document. The Federal Reserve Bank of New York has released its long-awaited strategy study on how to improve the United States payment system. The paper, according to Ripple, was prompted by requests for industry feedback in late 2013. During which Ripple Labs took part in a letter and response in which the Federal Reserve emphasized the critical responsibilities. The payment system is important not only for the country's financial stability, but also for the economy of the United States. The need to upgrade the country's core infrastructure has reached a tipping point. The Fed decided that in the case of Ripple, the solution is compatible with the components of a payment system, technological regulations, risk management, and the message standard as outlined by the Fed. Ripple provides the technology layer as an efficient and low-cost rule-set agnostic solution, allowing the Fed and other industry members to focus on their strengths and supply additional components like rural. We welcome the Fed's continuous efforts to create a secure, efficient, and widely accessible payment network in general. We are more confident in the work we are doing at Ripple Labs because of their active and inclusive approach. This suggests that the Federal Reserve has been backing the Ripple from the start. The federal government requires a new system that is faster, safer, less expensive, and better for the environment. Ripple has the ability to achieve many of the Fed's desired goals while also correcting many of the system's existing flaws. Establishing a list of effective criteria for speedier payments was one of the task force's initial accomplishments. This serves as a long-term benchmark for new solutions, outlining the skills required to fulfill market demands in 2021. There are 36 criteria in this framework, which are divided into 6 groups: speed, efficiency, safety and security, legal governance, and ambiguity are all important factors to consider. No existing solution fits all of the criteria, which include over 100 comprehensive benchmarks for each future vision. Ripple XRP is not the best answer for this. The Securities and Exchange Commission has filed a complaint against this San Francisco-based payment provider. So, while Ripple is now regulated, the Federal Reserve, as well as many other upcoming Ripple chances, are just waiting for it to be adopted. The Federal Reserve will use Ripple and XRP for the new, speedier payment system after the litigation is resolved. This will be a potential for widespread XRP acceptance, resulting in increasing demand, which will drive up the value of this unique asset. Today's traditional institutional money transfer participants must deal with one another on a global scale, effectively figuring out how to operate with a variety of systems that may or may not be easily compatible. RippleNet is a global network that follows a set of norms and rules to make user interactions simpler, smoother, and more transparent while cutting transaction costs and fees. Jerome Powell has also stated that a federally issued digital currency is needed, which will reduce the need for different cryptocurrencies and stable coins. Ripple has piqued the Fed's curiosity, and if it does create its own currency, XRP will be the most important component of it. Ripple and XRP are already being used by a wide number of banks to make cross-border payments faster, cheaper, and more secure. The most serious flaw in today's payment system is the remittance problem, which is also being addressed. For this reason, many countries are using Ripple as a payment gateway or corridor between countries for Ripple payments. On a smaller basis, several financial issues have been resolved. The payment system in the United States will improve with the support of the Federal Reserve, using Ripple as an example. As a result, there will be more demand for XRP and its value will rise. However, the value of XRP is currently declining. It has an impact on XRP, as well as the majority of the other cryptocurrencies. This isn't going to last much longer, and there will be a big bull run. Experts anticipate that following the crash, this bull run will be similar to that of the 2000 seconds, but with more momentum. At the time of writing, the XRP price is 79 cents USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $3.3 billion. According to the CoinMarketCap, in the previous 24 hours, XRP has lost 0.69% of its value. The following are the current CoinMarketCap rankings. It has a circulating supply of 47 billion XRP coins and a maximum supply of 100 billion XRP coins, with a live market valuation of $38 billion USD. So, there concludes today's video. I hope it proves to be of great assistance to you. What are your thoughts on the Federal Reserve's decision to use XRP for the new monetary system? Let us know what you think in the comments area below. Please remember to click the bell symbol. And thank you for taking the time to read this.